Hey guys, we are back with day 10 of our 12 days of Christmas. I can't believe it's coming to an end, but today I have something a little bit different than a tumbler. We are doing a little add-on item or a gift for your neighbors or even a cute teacher gift. I came up with this a couple years ago and have always wanted to do a tutorial on it, and I'm just getting around to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join my Diamonds and Dust group with the link in the description for your chance to enter one of our giveaways. This is a cute tutorial, so let's get started. I made these magnets a couple years back, and I have always wanted to make a tutorial to show you guys. I got them from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree, whatever you want to call it now. They come in a pack of 6. Usually I buy clear, but of course my crappy Dollar Tree was out, so I bought the blue. And if I could, I would have waited for the clear, but we're gonna have to, this is gonna have to do. So I just take and rough up the surface by flipping them over onto my sanding block and just giving them a good scratch on that sandpaper until they're not quite as shiny. Now I'm going to take and paint each one a different color. I chose green, red, white, and blue, and we're just going to base paint those with either acrylic paint or chalk paint. Now you're not going to want to place these too close together because they are magnets and they will want to attract each other, and it kind of messes up your work. But once that paint is all dry, take a little bit of UV resin, coating each one on the top, and then a coordinating glitter. I did bubbles on the white, envy on the green, Santa suit on the red, and denim jacket on the blue. Once you have all of your glitter applied, put those under your UV lamp for the recommended time for your UV resin. Now that your UV resin is all cured, we're going to take our UV resin again and place on a thicker coat, sealing in that glitter. I like to do one at a time and cure these really well, but you are going to want to take something and cover your UV light if it's open like mine, because as you're working on the others, the UV resin will catch some of that light and start to cure. Now that you have them all cured, if you need to, especially with like a chunky glitter like Santa's suit, you're going to want to do some filing and get that to be smooth and rounded. I'm just taking my handy dandy nail file to go around the edges that are rough and a little bit on the top. Now find some cute images that will coordinate with your magnets, and then you're going to measure them. They are about 1.5 inches in diameter, so I'm probably only going to cut my decals at about 1.25 inches. Now take each decal and apply it to the coordinating magnet. Then take one final layer of UV resin to coat over your decal and shine everything back up. Place them under your light for the recommended time, and you have the cutest little set of magnets. Now I'm going to show you how I would package these up to send out with your tumblers, or this can also be a really great add-on item. I found these galvanized metal tags at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to place all 4 of them on there. Grab a cellophane bag. This is all I had on hand. I would probably get one a little bit smaller, like thinner. This one was a little chunky, but it works. And then I'm just going to take a cute piece of twine and gather that at the top and tie it off. And here are the magnets all finished and packaged up. I'm sorry, but I just think these are the cutest, sparkliest little things on the whole entire planet, and would make a cute gift for a teacher or your neighbors. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe, and look for me on all other social media platforms.